Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel infovizworld. Today we are going to prepare Rava Dosa, which is very easy and you can make it very quick at home. To see more videos like this, hit subscribe button on infovizworld YouTube channel. And to get a notification on our latest new videos, press on bell button on our infovizworld YouTube channel. Let's get started to make Rava Dosa. Take one bowl, add 1 cup of rava, and 3/4 cup of maida. Next add 1 tablespoon of chili paste. Next cumin seeds. Next add onions. Coriander. Salt to taste. Next add curd. Two tablespoons. First you mix this all ingredients. Next add water to it. Mix it well. Now our batter is ready. Take a pan, sprinkle the oil, when you putting the dosa, stir it well. See how it looks. Now your dosa is ready. Serve it with the chutney. Thank you for watching InfoVizWorld.
Okay.
Please subscribe and like InfoVizWorld. Thank you.